Do you mind? Yes, I do. I like those coaches, please. These are mine. Go away. Oh, you're the big bully. You'll be sorry. Coach Steeler. Stop it, you're making me giddy. Wait a minute. There's two of you? Yes, we're twins. I should have known it. Why are you two playing here? We're not playing. We're getting your coaches back. Oh, it's fine. I had to refill water and I asked Boco to take my train. We're sorry, Boco. It's alright. Go back, back to the yard and I'll handle things over here. They mean no harm. They're maddening at times. Maddening is the word.